Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for liking, subscribing, truly appreciate it. Today I'm in my buddy's 5 Series F10. What we're going to do is we're going to be doing some coding with the side view mirror cameras for activation, deactivation, and then also setting up a compass, which is not enabled in his F10 in your instrument cluster. So first what I did was I loaded up the Bimmercode app. I connected the VPAC, which is a new adapter that I've gotten. Looks like this. I'll link it down below on where you can find it. Once I've got that, I got the Bimmercode app enabled, logged in, connected, everything. And then basically what I did was I went to instrument cluster. So let me start recording the screen share. I'll put it up on the screen next to me. Let's get this loaded. So what you want to do is load up the instrument cluster app. Once you do that, you want to go into expert mode. And this is for enabling the compass on your drive. So what we're going to do is go into 3003, which is FZG_Oz Detang. Once you go in there, you can scroll through and search for it, but I would recommend that you basically click on the search icon, click on compass, K-O-M-P. Again, it's not C-O-M because it's English versus German, so do compass enable, you'll get a bunch of different settings. The very first one is compass_graph_enable. I set this up before testing, so it's active. Once you do that, click on active, click up on code. Obviously, mine is disabled because I haven't set it, so you're going to click on active. Once you do that, your car will reset. Once it resets, what's going to happen is you can click through your BC board control, and you'll notice that compass shows up in here. Before it did not in his car, so that's nice that he can see that now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to code the side view mirror camera so it stay enabled and does not deactivate at 15 or 20 miles an hour. So we're going to go back out. For this one, we're going to go into all around view cameras. So let me do that. It's loading the data. While this is loading, keep in mind that when you are coding, either have your car running or you have a trickle battery charger. You do not want to drain your battery. That's not going to be fun. So keep that in mind and always try to code 1 or 2 features, click code. Don't try to do 7, 8 things at one time or 10 things at one time and then code. So this is almost done loading. Once this loads, we will see there are 2 settings in here. Activation speed threshold, basically at what time the cameras come on, right? So right now it's set to no speed limit by factory. So we're going to leave that alone. We don't want to set it up at 15 miles an hour, 15 kilometers per hour, which is about 9 to 10 miles an hour, right? So we're going to hit cancel here. We're going to go into the second setting, which is deactivation speed threshold view camera. So basically what happens is on the side view mirrors camera, or when you're reversed, your cameras become active. You know, you have your screen active, which essentially looks something like this, right? So your screen will look something like this. What you want to do, sorry for keep moving the cameras back around. What you want to do is set to no speed limit active. So basically when you deactivate the setting is it will stay on and you can run it on and off at whatever speed you want. But what I do want to test after this, what will happen is once you start driving, let's say you reverse out of your garage, your driveway, you start driving, it's not going to deactivate. So you would have to hit the button on your center console, which is a parking sensor. So we're going to click on no speed limit because that's what you wanted to do. We're going to click on OK. Again, what you'll notice is the code button comes active. So I want to code it. I'm going to click on start coding. There's a bunch of important note that you always should read through it. I have done this enough that I did not put in airplane mode. I left it alone. What you will notice now is most likely it's going to write it and it's going to reset the ECU and then it's going to do its thing. So let's see, restarting ECU obviously went away and it's back on. It's going to clear any faulty codes, and this time I did not get any warnings on my instrument cluster or on the head unit. It's clearing the codes, coding complete, you're done. In order to do this, I would have to drive with this, and I'm not going to do this part. I'll do this part a little later where you can see it as well. Hope you guys like this. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, As always, do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe. Thank you guys.